I want to tell you guys about the most frustrating thing about being an engineer, but it's probably the best skill you'll ever learn. When something breaks or just doesn't work the first time, which trust me, nothing works the first time, then it's time for you to start troubleshooting. And every single day is a day of troubleshooting. This is when you start looking at logs, Stack Overflow, ChatGPT. And you know what's so annoying? Is sometimes it's as simple as just moving a comma or adding one. The one thing that I've learned is that engineering is all about troubleshooting. That is what makes you an actual engineer. Listen, it's not just about using a tool, but it's knowing how to use a tool when it's not working the way it's supposed to work. Or when you're using something, you're implementing a new service and it just doesn't work. How to troubleshoot it, how to work on it when it's broken, how to fix that break. When something you introduced or something that you worked on that's supposed to fix something just doesn't work. Do you just say, well, doesn't work? Or what do? Do you go look at the logs? What I do, honestly, is I always go in prepared knowing that this is not about to work. It sounds sad. Like when I'm testing something, adding a new change, I'm like, well, this is not going to work. So I go in with the idea knowing that I'm going to have to troubleshoot something, knowing how to read logs, knowing how to look at articles and implement things, look at what other people have gone through with them trying something, because there's nothing that we're doing today that hasn't already been done. We're not creating anything that new. And I'm still ironing out my troubleshooting skills. I am not there yet. But one thing I want us all to practice is anytime you're troubleshooting something and you figure out the solution, write it down. Do not go back and say you're going to remember this later, because trust me, I have done this enough and I regret it every single time. So make sure you write it down, talk it out. That way you're adding that to your toolkit. And that way next time you're like, oh, I ran into this problem and this is how I troubleshoot it. This is how you grow your skills and this is how you become a better engineer.